Do you ever use an aqua brush? Hi everyone, this is Faryal Gilani and welcome to my YouTube channel called Farishtao Miraj. I'm a visual artist, also an art educator, having a degree of MPhil in art and design. Today, I am trying out an aqua brush to paint a rose. But first, let's see how an aqua brush looks like and how it functions. Aqua brush is an art tool that has flexible brush tip and having a water reservoir in the handle. You can squeeze the handle to control the flow of water onto the bristles and blend watercolor easily. Open the brush by moving the lower part. Dip it into the water, squeeze it, and water will pour into it. Now assemble the parts of the brush and close it. It has also a sharp tip. Let's start with the rose petals by adding red, vermilion and make the form of the rose. I squeeze the brush for using watercolors and use wet on dry technique in the painting. The brush is smooth in blending. It blends the color effortlessly. You can notice how it is convenient to squeeze the water directly onto the color kit. I don't need extra water to carry with me if I need to paint outdoors. Now I am picking some green shades and mix with burnt sienna to get the right color for rose leaves. I am adding more details with the pointed tip of the brush. I am using colors and adding shadows. Now take a closer look to see the results of details. I am very happy with the results. I like the quality of the brush. Thank you, all the lovely people who are watching my video. I hope you will support my content in the future as well by clicking like and subscribe button. I will be over the moon if you could give me your feedback by commenting below and ask me anything about it. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more content. Till then, take care and see you in the next video.